This home felt cluttered and lacked a clear layout. So this transformation uses Modern Japandi with light wood tones and soft colors to create a more organized and balanced space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The setup improves circulation and reduces visual clutter. Then, the dining area. The dining area helps tie the spaces together. Finally, the kitchen. The kitchen keeps a simple and efficient layout. When every piece has a purpose, your home works better every day. A clear design plan helps improve not just how it looks, but how it feels and functions. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.